Changing your username on Uber Eats is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats application on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the account settings, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile. Tap on it to view your current username and other personal information. Step 4. Change your username. Find the field that displays your current username. Tap on it, delete the existing username, and enter your desired new username. Ensure it meets any character requirements specified by the app. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes and update your username. Once you have completed these steps, your username will be updated on Uber Eats. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance.